Hi guys, let's make some beef pilau together. So this is my onions and some vegetable oil. So for you to, for your pilau to be brown in color, you need to add, you need to put more onions. So these are my onions. They are turning brown. So at this point, I will need to add the mixture of garlic and the ginger. So I will put in my cooking pot, then let it cook for some time. So as you can see, my garlic and onions have turned brown in color. So at this point, I will need to add some pilau masala, 1 spoon of pilau masala. So you add, then you stir for some time. Then again you let it cook for like 1 minute. You cover this, then you let it cook for 1 minute. So make sure you regulate the amount of heat. So after 1 minute, you will add your beef. I already boiled my beef, so I'll just put in the cooking pot. I'll put my beef in the cooking pot, then I stir. So after stirring, I will cover my meat to cook for 2 minutes. So I'm giving these minutes for the onions, the meat, the whatever to mix. So after mixing, I add some broth and I've added some water. So it is a glass of one glass of broth and 1 glass of water. So I stir, then I'll bring this to boil. So before it boils, I need to add some salt to taste. So I put my salt. At this time, I'm using the sea salt. So I have put my sea salt. Then I stir and I give this time to boil. So my mixture have boiled. So at this time, I will add my rice. I had washed this rice like 30 minutes before starting to cook. So I had washed my rice. So I'll just put my rice in the cooking pot. Then I stir for some time. Then we cover it. Again, as I said, make sure the amount of it is lower. So I'll cover this and wait for it to cook. On the other side, I am going to make some kachumbari. Remember, this rice is for 1 person. So I will use half onion and 1 tomato. So here I'm cutting my onions. I'll just make kachumbari the kawaida way, the normal way of making kachumbari. So I'll use the onion, the tomato, and some avocado. I'm adding some salt and water in my onion so that it may remove that sour taste, that sour smell. Is it sour? Or yeah, that smell of onion is what we are avoiding. So to avoid this, guys, make sure you add some salt and water, then you give it some time. Guys, my rice is ready, so I'm just going to stir this so that yeah, the meat, the onions can mix well. So look at this rice of mine. Look at this pilau of mine. So we are going to put it in the plate. Look at how brown it is. Remember, I told you that for your rice, for your pilau to become this brown, make sure you have lots of onions. So we serve our pilau, then we add the guacamole, the kachumbari, it is called the guacamole. So we add some guacamole and enjoy the pilau.